YouTube. This week in Garage Gum we have pina colada, cinnamon, cherry limeade, Orbit bubble mint, which I don't like. We're almost out of Arctic grape, and I think the kids ate most of this. Kiwi watermelon. This is Garage Gum. I keep it in here for the kids. Now that we've got past the Garage Gum, don't forget, folks, to like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to try the cherry. I'm not a big fan of pina colada either. What do you call it? Yeah, because you like to hear chewing while I'm working a video. So anyway, I picked up this. One of these, what is it? Can't Twist patent 2-inch. I bought it like, I don't know, a billion months ago. The only problem I see is it's got a little bit of sloppy engineering right there. It's like one little rivet part is way too big, and unless this is supposed to like jiggle back and forth, I don't know, they could have made a little better tolerance. It's got the nice little copper things on it. It's not bad. I mean, can't complain. It's a freaking clamp. Who doesn't like clamps? If you don't like clamps, just hang up now and stop watching. I picked up another proto, or my first proto made in Spain, 6-inch locking plier. Well, you know, here's the thing. I keep ordering these because it says 6-inch, right? I ordered the other ones there. The Milwaukee and the, what the hell is the other one? Vice grips. And this part, it says 6 inches. So I get bigger vice grips. I order these ones, and I'm like, okay. Unfortunately, they measure this part 6 inches, and this part 3.5. Half the time, like on Amazon, they don't mention it's 3.5. They just say this thing's 6 inches. So you see a picture, you assume, it's a big 6-inch locking plier. So, what's my impression? Well, these are some cheap rivets, but I mean, I don't think they're gonna fall out. There's a fly in here, and yeah, they're not bad. They're cheap little things. What else do I got for? Oh yeah, got that. I also picked up a brass mallet. Arco. I'm buying hammers. This one's brass. I couldn't help it. This one was nice. See, I need a soft hitting hammer, which I'm going to use in the next video. Which, if I edit this, you'll probably see this tomorrow video. This video will probably come out sometime in February, January, February next year, because I'm about a bazillion videos ahead. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel if it's exciting to you at all. Enjoy.